What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning on today's video. I'm Gabe, and today I'm here with Bryce and Michael. We're going to be installing my Z28 style splitter on a 2010 through 2013 Camaro SS. If you guys are new to the channel, this is not the first time I've actually had this lip, but I'm gonna take the time to just show you guys, I guess, how to mount it. You'll see in the clip right here. I actually ripped the lip off going pretty high miles per hour while I was racing Bryce in his M3. You guys can check out those videos, link in the description or cards above. But today we're just gonna go ahead and install it, and yeah, let's proceed. This is actually the old lip, as you guys can see. Got like a little buck tooth, but yeah, it got completely destroyed. I'm gonna show you guys the actual lip itself. It does come unpainted, and it comes with these self-taping screws, some nuts, and some washers. Not really sufficient for the install, in my opinion. It's pretty massive. It's about what, like 6 feet in length. All right, Mike, so what surplus did we buy to complement what came with it already?
All right, so instead of using the self-tapping screws,
we will use them, just not all of them.
Yeah.
And this is like the extras.
Yeah, so what we can do is we can put a bolt and washer, so my fingers are the bumper and the splitter right here, boom. And then we're gonna put a nut on it from here. Pretty much the washer just gives you more surface area. So instead of just holding on that, it holds on for the entire bit. Exactly. Nylon lock washers. What that plastic does, it helps the nut from spinning out. We're gonna use a drill to actually drill the holes for the nuts, and then we're gonna be using this driver to zip them in, and then we're gonna use a basic ratchet set to hold one side with the nut, and then we'll screw in the other side. So we're just gonna drill a hole on the bottom through the bumper and splitter, and then we're gonna feed it through.
All right. Okay, so what you guys are gonna want to do is lift it up, right? We're gonna use these planks to actually allow the clearance to get better, because my jack wouldn't fit with the load that I have for my coilovers. This is from the previous lip installation. These holes. Oof, rip. Everybody's moving their car. Bryce's M3, Michael's Miata. We're moving it because my car doesn't actually have e-brakes, because the handbrake actually broke. Cable broke. And we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning the surface here. That way we can start attaching some of the 3M tape that's gonna, again, add support. Since the old holes have some of this like residue here, we're gonna have to use a Dremel tool to kind of like sand it down, make it flush. That way the M tape and the other procedure doesn't get interrupted by this. So let's go ahead and do that. As long as we do it underneath this line here, we should be fine. Not gonna lie, guys, this is turning into quite the making bean bad.
So I'm just gonna mark where the holes are with tape up here, so we know not to screw near there. We already sanded these clean, so they're flush. Pretty much saying, don't screw exactly here. So what we'll probably do is we'll probably put boom, boom.
Yeah. Again, if you're doing this for the first time, this is more or less what you would probably want to drill in. So we have to kind of like do it around it, right?
Yeah.
Because these are old holes. All right, next we're just going to clean the area that we're going to tape to. We're just using alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Not the one that we all love.
It's Grey Goose.
So I accidentally cut myself earlier, so pouring alcohol right now on my cut, and it's like watch out, watch out. One more. All right. Okay, so now we're Loading up on some bug spray, boy. Now we're gonna start aligning it here on the bottom part because we noticed the Z28 splitter, the tape that goes here doesn't actually stick to anything. So we're just gonna put it on like this side, right along here. That way it'll actually support it better. So Bryce right now is taking off the double-sided tape. That way we can start like getting ready to align it and, you know, push it in. So that's how we have it set up. Okay guys, so am I gonna put it into the pre-made?
Yeah, pre-made.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so ideally we would do this during the day, but our circumstances is a little bit different. Bryce, what do you think?
Nah, I mean, it's pretty good. Like, we're doing good progress. And the label's lined up.
Yeah, it does.
The 3M tape is going to be like some extra, like adhesive. Now we're going to go through it with the self-adhering tape, the screws. And yeah.
The ones that we're experts on. Alright, so we're gonna start going ahead and putting in the self-tapering screws there.
Alright, I'm gonna put one right here.
Alright. There you go. Nice. This kit, or this set, actually comes with the places to go ahead and mark it right there, but since it's already been used, you're gonna have to improvise here.
It should be enough support.
Yeah.
Oh, look, you can feel like a hole here. Wait, shouldn't it lay here? See? Yeah. See, this isn't, it's like, I wonder what that's for.
I realize that this is probably not the best how-to video that I've done, just because, well, it's a little bit unorganized and unorthodox and not in the best lighting conditions, but it is what it is. Now we're securing it on the other side as we originally intended with the washer and the nut.
Okay, so that's, I can't finish off because of the lock knot.
Okay.
So you can't hand tighten these. They stop right where it meets the nylon.
Right.
And we're gonna put one right here too.
Okay guys, so I'm underneath the car. We've pretty much finalized the entire installation now. I do apologize for it not being the most, I guess, detailed installation video. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you what we have done underneath so you guys have an idea.
Oh, I see you already put the screw.
Yeah, just on that side.
So yeah, I could say it's a pretty successful installation. I am tired as hell. Michael's probably tired as hell. But and Bryce too.
Oh.
Alright guys. And guess what we needed?
This.
And guess what's missing? That 10.
This.
Get that from under, right?
Unveil the monster.
Nothing else under.
That is a familiar look. So we're gonna start lowering the car down. Which is luck because now we have about 2 inches of depth, which is the lip. Lift it up just a little bit more. Oh, okay. First one gone. Oh, second one gone. All right. Hey, let's go. Oh, God, look at that flush.
Yeah, we're professional. Like, we need a garage and everything now.
All right, so let's proceed to daytime footage now. What's up, guys? So it is the next day, and as you guys can see, here is the lip on the Camaro. Looks very, very nice, high level. There are some areas that I'll have to retouch later. For example, here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it kind of like bulges out. I believe it with some heat and, you know, some, you know, applying some force, you can actually just put this back in place. I think this might have been because of a shipping issue, but not really a big deal per se. As you guys can see in the install, there are some areas that it's not 100% flush. That could be the design of the splitter, but it's not that big of a deal. I can always just, you know, screw it in more. You know, I can address that. But overall, very high level, looks really, really nice. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and found it somewhat useful, I know it wasn't the most detailed video, it was kind of a very high level what we're doing, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys enjoy some of my content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. We already hit the goal for 2021, but you know, a subscribe is always appreciated. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my reviews, my vlogs, my how-tos, and some of the mods that I do to my 2010 Camaro SS. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.